We're going to do a little winter review here. Viscose, charcoal viscose especially, is a great base. We should all have it. We should all have a long sleeve shirt in charcoal. It's a great color, great purpose. This is 100% viscose, stretch in both directions. This also, light gray, works just as well. This is 100% viscose, stretch in one direction. Beautiful, beautiful drape, beautiful print. These are all our winter fabrics. 100% wool knit, stretch in both directions. Beautiful fabric, just beautiful. And then these are more of a felted wool. This is 100% wool, beautiful red. These are all colors that are so strong now and even for spring. This is a wool poly. It's got a little bit of poly in it. It's a twill weave, beautiful piece. We've got this wine, again 100% wool. It's like a felted, it's a beautiful piece of fabric. This is a woven. These are all just great prices and going, gone. This is a wool knit. It has stretch in one direction, royal blue. I walked into the store and Acris has a whole group in this this royal blue, this wool royal blue. So these are the last of these beautiful colors and beautiful fabrics. The goal is, as you know, happy sewing.